Sensor data in remote areas and battlefields with no internet connectivity is not effective unless it is analyzed in an AI-augmented OODA loop. AITS lets you analyze and transform dumb boards into smart ones in a matter of minutes by embedding AI modules to create smart hardware gadgets like wearables, geolocation devices, robots, vehicles, ammunition, planes, drones, and others. One can customize latest AI models including predictive maintenance, RF sensing, thermal and optical detection, tracking, audio surveillance, etc., and embed them into the hardware of their choice. And all of this is as easy as bringing your IoBT or edge device connected to a tinyML Studio laptop, choose and customize AI model, and have it flash the AI application to your device in a matter of minutes. Sounds interesting? Talk to AITS with a team of AI experts including university professors and high-tech professionals from companies like Intel and Ansys. Contact us to find more.